With the snap of his fingers, we both went to work. When the stockings were filled, he turned with a jerk. And laying his finger aside of his nose, then giving a nod up the chimney, he rose. He sprang to his sleigh and then signaled his team, and away we all flew like a magical dream. And I heard him exclaim as we drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night." Excuse you, Baby Yoda.
Mom, that was not Baby Yoda.
How did she get here?
I don't know.
Is that sound coming from her stomach?
That's Kissy Missy.
Sounds like she's definitely got something inside of there.
Yeah.
Should we cut her open?
Did you say cut her open?
I can't even take you seriously like that. Yes, I did. Why?
Small or big? Girls gotta be prepared.
Yeah, let's cut her open. Let's see what's
yeah.
inside. This stomach, this is tight. I have a feeling she is full. The stomach is very full. Sorry. She's probably gonna feel better after this little mini operation. Dr. Carlaylee's in the house.
Mm-hmm. But we don't want to push too hard.
No?
You have to clear some of her fur before we do this, the operation.
Why is it unsanitary?
It's unsanitary fur.
Kissy Missy. If I called her the wrong name, forgive me. I know who this is. I did that in the last video. I apparently kept saying Poppy when I meant Huggy Wuggy. Be careful. There might be a Baby Yoda in there.
It's fine.
It's not fine. It's not fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's not fine.
Yes, it is.
Do you need me to do this?
No!
No!
You interrupted. Give me the little scissors.
Quick, Kissy Missy, run!
Where's the little scissors? Tackle! And you ain't going nowhere. Ow!
Is there stuff in there?
Yep.
What? There's something green. We've got the green stuff.
I can't.
Here. Oops, I think I'm cutting open whatever's inside of her as well. Alright, do you want to see? What is the first thing?
The baby Grinch?
Ew, why do these things keep popping up everywhere?
It's sticky.
It's creepy. Can you bring that back so I can look at it?
He's scary. Don't say that, Mom.
Where are these Grinches coming from?
I don't know, okay? Okay.
Ooh,
You didn't hear anything.
look at he's back with his mama.
Aw.
Or daddy. Why is this on the floor? What? Don't spit it out. Don't spit it out. Definitely don't spit it out. You're facing me. All right, you want to see what else is in there? Ew. What is that? Just goo. Oh, she has a heart. She literally has a heart.
Look at all this goo. Is it?
Ew.
It kind of smells weird.
Well, it's been sitting inside of her. Kissy Missy. She's going to feel so much better. And don't worry, I will sew her back up. I re-sew everything.
Except for the bad ones.
Bad.
Bad.
What is that thing? I've
It looks
never
like a zombie.
seen this before. If you have seen one of these
There's
people,
some ketchup.
and if you know what it's from, tell us in the comments because I don't know. I don't like scary things.
It's not scary. It's kind of cute.
It is kind of cute, but it might be something scary.
Here's your heart back.
Okay, ready? What else is inside of there? Intestines? Ew. Maybe you cut the intestines and this is what
Is it a monkey noodle?
came out. Oh, it's a monkey noodle?
Don't let it go. It's gonna hurt.
Let it go.
Ow!
Let it go.
Mom, now you hold it. Hold it with all your
Don't
might.
let it go.
Mom, hold it. I said hold it.
What do you think? I'm dumb?
Just hold it, okay?
I may be dumb, but I'm not stupid.
I told you it hurt.
Not that much. All right, my turn.
Yeah, it's hurt.
Wow.
Maybe this is the thing that covers the heart.
Ectoplasm. What? Yoda stuff that was missing. I'm sorry I blamed you. But you know what?
It has slime on it.
I threw out the other one because I couldn't find the match to it.
Uh-oh.
So now I have another.
Now you can have you can have 2 different Baby Yoda socks on 2 feet.
But I like these. It's Baby Yoda eating his froggy going nom nom nom.
Nom nom nom.
All right.
Look at nom nom nom. She's gonna eat her own stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
That's disgusting.
No, it's not. This is the aftermath.
All right, you're up. Oh.
Uh-oh.
What? Uh-oh. You got slime
Sorry,
on your
Peyton.
booty. It'll come off. What in the South is this?
Yeah, we are in the South, I mean.
What? No, it's what? Mr. Globby with overalls and a piece of hay.
In his mouth.
Mr. Shiling. Shiling? Mr. Shiling? Ooh, we should cut this thing. It's probably the same as the Stretch Armstrong. The guy in the underwear. It's probably just putty in there.
I like
These
it.
are oddly satisfying, but...
I don't want to cut this one open. Hey, maybe I can color him.
Color him?
Yeah.
How do you know it's a boy?
No, it's a farmer. Farmers can be girls.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a boy.
Maybe it's a girl.
I can make it a girl. Or a boy.
Okay. This conversation's getting a little strange. Is there anything else in there?
Kind of looks like a boy, though. The eyebrows? No.
Because boys have mean eyebrows.
Let's just back away.
Oh, it's like stuck in here. This is gross. It's stuck.
Voodoo? You're touching it. It's yours.
Missed.
Haha.
I think. Let me see that voodoo person. Oh, there's more slime in here.
It's yours. You can't touch me with it because I have a very precious Oodie on. My friend gave to me.
Let's name him. We shall call him.
Rowdy.
If it was inside a Kissy Missy, we can name him Sissy. Hissy?
Hissy Sissy.
Hissy Sissy. Yeah, you're probably not supposed to touch those.
The couch.
Don't let it touch Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda has been in a good place. Nothing bad has happened to Baby Yoda.
Mom.
What?
Look.
What? Stop! No.
Touch him.
No.
It touched him.
Listen, if anything bad happens to Baby Yoda, I don't want to have to cut him open. He's my little green jelly bean. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video.
If you did,
give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe. Bye.
Hey guys, if you saw our last video, you will know that we caught Huggy Wuggy from Poppy's Playtime and we put him in the villain's closet. Well, today's the day that we are going to cut him open. I don't know where Carly is. Normally she's all about this whole cutting open thing.
Hey, can I do it?
Yes, of course.
To all the things he's done to us. Let's go.
That's a little extra, Carly.
You wanna be evil? Why don't you?
You being extra?
I'm not basic like girlfriend.
Why don't we use scissors that actually
We don't
work?
want to touch our patient, so we gotta use like a 39-foot scissors. Get up. You know what? That works. No, that doesn't work.
This isn't going so well, is it?
Shh. Will you cooperate? Evil, vicious villain.
Really?
You know what?
There is Poppy ready to go. Carly, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning my weapons between
Victims? It's a little too much.
I don't think so.
I don't think big giant plastic scissors are gonna work. But we
I
do
want
have a
paper towel.
situation we don't normally. He's very fuzzy, so I think before we operate,
We have to shave.
we have to shave him.
It's right there.
I got my razor. You want to hold him down?
I want to try one.
If it works.
Let me try.
Not working.
Let me try.
Oh, we can't do it that way.
Oh, yes, we can.
Don't ruin it.
Oh, it's working.
He's not even doing it right. You gotta.
I don't know how to use one of those things.
Hold his head. Sorry if this hurts. Apparently this doesn't work on evil villains' hair, only people's hair.
Ruins all the fun for me. Just shave his face off.
I'm going to shave his face off. Look at those cute little teeth.
I said he has very good dental insurance.
All right, I'll hold him down. See, it's tough. That's why I was going to try to shave his chest.
Ooh. Cleaning my knife between victims. I mean, weapon.
Patients, not victims. They're patients.
Maybe. Ooh, we see that beautiful. It's beautiful.
Whoa. Ah, what is that? Wow.
Oh!
It's upside down. What is that? You just... Do you see candy and you're just automatically like, candy?
No, not really.
What is that? Ooh.
Watch. It's one of these things.
You look lovely.
Thank you. I
But
feel
that was inside his guts.
I feel fabulous. Should I be concerned there's a human body piece that can
Yes,
stretch?
you should be concerned that
There's like...
2 legs. We got some underwear. We got a butt crack. What?
Wait!
teeth look really creepy. You can put that in your mouth too? Why are you so weird? Okay.
There's this body.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Ew.
He looks kind of silly now. Look at, he's all flat. It's a very stretchy man in underwear.
Let's stretch it.
Mm.
The head!
What? Did that hurt? Are you okay?
Feel the head!
Oh, that's hard. Okay, I won't let go. You don't let go either. I want to see how far we can stretch him. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Ooh, we should see what's inside of this guy.
It's a good fidget toy.
Is it?
I guess.
Do you want a fidget toy, a man with no shirt on? What's inside
Should
that
I?
guy? Sure.
No, I'm not doing that.
I'll do it.
No, this is weird. Okay. Can we cut his head off?
You are one evil little child. Okay. What is that?
His stomach.
Oh, it's like putty.
Why would you touch that?
I wonder if that's what's inside all these little stretchy things in the putty. We'll put them back together. I am a master fixer of things. I will melt the glue, the plastic. Ha! Now he's got no muscles. He's just got putty, but now he's got no muscles.
He's weak.
He's like, ah! Don't eat me!
No, wait, now this one's better. Ah! Oh no! Look at, he has a double chin now.
You do his legs coming out of his mouth, like Poppy ate him. There seems to be, Carly, there seems to be another pair of feet in here.
That's great. They can twist too.
Let's see what's at the end of these feet. Are you gonna leave the feet for now?
Yeah, I'm scared.
What is that?
It's a donut.
It says donut open Christmas till Christmas. Okay, donut open till Christmas. Well, that's not bad. A little gummy donut.
Let me
I don't know
look.
if I trust it.
You don't do that till Christmas. It's an advent calendar.
Do we look at these?
I don't think we dare to do that. That's.
We got some feet.
Oh, this is something that we shaved off.
Oh, there you go. We got, I don't know what this is. We got a white dress.
A white dress with a red...
a red ribbon.
Oh, let's guess it's Annabelle.
Good guess. I wonder why we hadn't seen her in a while. Good work, Poppy. I wonder if Poppy ate her when he was big. When he was big. And then when she shrunk...
When he shrunk, she shrunk.
Although that means that there was a giant man in underwear running around too. What? Why does she have a thick neck? She's an athlete.
More like a cereal
She's
killer.
not that bad, Annabelle.
How about you watch the movie, The Conjuring?
It's too scary. I don't like scary
Then
movies.
why is she not that bad?
I don't know. Maybe she is.
There's something right here.
Something else. No, that's...
Oh, we found a...
Piece of plastic.
Oh, it's beautiful.
All right.
Guys, don't eat plastic. It's not good for you.
Can you give it to Minnie Mouse?
Oh, yeah. She's a doll.
All right. Let's see. What?
Tuna?
Tuna? No.
Cat food? Chicken feast with touch of real milk. Oh, it's liquidy. Ooh.
Chicken feast with a touch of real milk. Creamy delights. Gross. We don't even have a cat to give this to.
Maybe he had a cat.
Carly, the teeth. Cat food? What if he ate the cat lady?
What if he ate a Yeti? And it took the tongue with him?
I think we did a good job by cutting him open.
Here, they look oddly familiar.
I know, the teeth do kind of...
Here, how about he sucks on it? And it doesn't look like he has a tongue.
I don't know. I don't want to find out.
Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye. There's a bubble in my throat. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hi, Mom.
Hi. What are you doing?
I mean, I'm doing self-care. It's needed.
Self-care?
Yeah. After every single wash, you have to.
Are you feeling okay?
I'm feeling perfectly fine. If I
Do
look,
you have a fever?
oh, I don't think you would be able to tell either way.
You're practicing self-care?
It's important during this time.
This is sunscreen.
Of course I know. It says sport, power stay, technology, tear, sting, free, new look, moisturizing.
I don't think when they say you're supposed to moisturize, I don't think this is what it means.
You're telling me what I have to believe?
No, you can believe whatever you want. I'm just telling you
Okay.
the truth. Have you seen your elf, by the way?
No. That's why I am doing this. I'm trying to focus my energy into finding Ellie's book.
Okay. Am I the only one who noticed anything strange going on here?
Nope.
You didn't notice anything strange? Nothing
Just
out of
me.
Nothing out of the ordinary?
Me.
Well, of course you. But did you notice any blue creatures in any of your shoes?
Oh, no. Cookie Monster, of course.
There's no Cookie Monster. Come here, you gotta see this.
No, Mom, what is it?
Just follow me. Did you notice anything strange about...
Aw, Huggy Wuggy likes my Uggies.
Is that Huggy Wuggy and an Uggy? Is that what that is supposed to be?
Yep.
And I didn't sew him back. This doesn't look like Huggy Wuggy. This is not like the Huggy Wuggy that was here before.
I'm sure he just got a little makeup.
See, well, no, I mean, what, like he dyed his fur?
Yeah.
Because his fur is definitely darker than it was before. And there's no line from when I stitched the other Huggy Wuggy up.
Did you even stitch the other Huggy Wuggy back up?
Of course I did.
Okay.
All right, well, your elf has to be around here somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Huh? Help who? Did you say that? Was that you?
No, my voice is not that high pitched.
I could have just swore I heard someone say, help me. Did you hear that too? You don't think it was Slappy, do you? You're acting very strange right now. Slappy, do you know where our elf is? And was that you saying help me?
I ain't talking to you until you buy me a present.
Slappy, that's not what the holidays are about. It's about spending time with the people you love. And in your case, you don't love anyone. Oh, wait. Annabelle.
Did you say Annabelle?
Oh, for crying out loud.
Get me a present and I'll talk.
Slappy, Christmas is about giving,
Yeah.
not receiving.
Yeah. You should care more about giving than receiving.
If you want to give so much, then give me a new phone.
Slappy, I don't like that attitude. Okay, Slappy.
Villain's closet.
Villain's closet.
That's like the.
This is like the timeout. That's like the timeout. All right.
You know what? I'll give you a present. I'll give you one I stored away because I hated it.
What?
I'll give you a present.
Oh.
You love yourself so much, huh?
Isn't that from Slappy?
Yeah.
So you're going to give him his gift back?
Yeah. There you go. That's your Christmas present.
He's a good-looking guy.
Yeah, if you're blind. Okay.
Okay. Let's take you.
We still don't know where the elf is.
Just like that.
I just heard the help me again. Did you hear that? Where is that coming from? Sounds like it's coming over here.
Mom, I think it's Huggy Wuggy.
You think Huggy Wuggy's saying help me? That doesn't sound like Huggy Wuggy's voice. He's bloated again?
Ellie!
Ellie must be inside of Huggy Wuggy. Wait. There could definitely be a face under here.
Can you cut it open?
Yes, you can cut it open. How did Ellie get inside of there?
You'll be in good hands. Mom, look over there.
What?
I'm an angel.
All right, is the doctor in? Is the doctor ready to operate?
Yes, ma'am.
Be careful, though. Be careful.
Gotta Santa.
I think there's something hard under here.
I know what will help.
Help what? What? What are you doing?
It's unsanitary hair.
Unsanitary hair?
Unsanitary hair.
Okay.
Cut it open right where there's unsanitary hair.
Well, you just sanitized it, correct?
It can help with the fur.
But you use, those paper towels are not sterile. So now you just wiped him with something that's not sanitary. And your hands are not sterile.
It makes the fabrics.
Careful, my hands are right here. Did you get it? I'm scared for my fingers.
Should be.
What? I should be?
Yeah.
Carly, look! Look!
Look.
There's Ellie.
Don't touch her.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ellie. I think you're allowed to touch her or she ends up inside a creepy villain. Just be careful.
I can't cut it. I think I have to break it open.
You might have to cut up the head, his mouth. Just be careful.
Oof.
Ellie, don't worry.
That's
Ellie,
scary.
don't worry. We'll fix you after.
Ew, ew, ew. It's sanitized good.
Poor Ellie.
Oh, Ellie.
Come on out, Ellie. We
Yeah,
got
come
you.
on out. It's Smelly Darkle! Ah! Mom, punishments we fell for were gullible.
How did Smelly Darkle? And then where's Ellie?
You.
If you don't know who Smelly Darkle is, it is...
Yeah, you don't want to know. You don't want to know.
Smelly Darkle is the evil twin of Ellie Sparkle. Ellie Sparkle is Carly's good elf that she has had forever and who represents everything good and pure about Christmas.
And this is the opposite. She's gonna go yeet.
She's going to eat.
Ooh, it's warm out.
You going eating?
What are you doing? It's warm. Maybe out to the road in the field? On the roof?
Not on the roof. Just
Oh no, she might get away! She might get away! That's not good enough.
you're just going to leave her in the bushes?
No, that's not it.
Yeah, that's not it.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. Tag that in. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, bye!
And we'll let you know when we find Ellie.
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, if you guys like cutting open videos, make sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, turn your bell on if you like our content.
And
if you don't, then it's okay too.
And make sure to subscribe if you want to. If you like these like toy channels, like American Girl specifically. I love American Girl. So we made an American Girl channel. What?
I said a shameless plug. We haven't uploaded anything yet on it, but Carly wants to make an American Girl doll, like skip channel.
Or, well, like unboxing all of that stuff.
Yes.
And like making bedrooms and all of that. The name is Carly, and then AG. It's all capital. And the photo on it, it's just like purple with a bunch of sparkles in the back.
Carly designed it.
Yep. And so you don't have to subscribe. It's just I would like you to. I'm just really
Pretty please.
Pretty please.
There's not even any content yet. They gotta see it.
Yes, we will be like filming a video soon of an unboxing.
Okay guys, so if you saw our video with the Minipuffs, you will know that we trapped one in the Ghostbusters trap thing, Carly did, and then we put it in the microwave, and then I was careless and I was on my phone and I wasn't paying attention. I threw popcorn in there, turned the microwave on, and this is what we got.
The results.
So we now have a big bowl of melted marshmallow.
Look it. They're probably so angry at you. And we're gonna reach in and grab some stuff out of it if there's anything.
So Carly wants to be the dipper,
and she's
I'm gonna be the camera lady. Hold on, wait, before you stick your fingers in there.
Oh, look, it feels so weird.
So like slime. This is just, so we're gonna see what is actually inside a Minipuft. We can't really technically cut it open because it's already open and melted, but hold on
wow, it's like silky. Oh, wow.
Oh, there's something red. What is that? I can't even tell what that is. That is absolutely disgusting. So what we'll probably do is...
I know what it is.
What is it?
It's your hot sauce puppet.
No! So what we will probably do is just rinse everything off to actually see. All right, Carly.
Where's his eyeballs?
You take his eyeballs out so he's not watching you. Reach into his guts. Stare into your soul.
I don't have a soul.
What?
There's this. Whatever it is. I don't even know what it is. Should we okay.
There's an eye. Yeah, we're probably just gonna have to rinse everything. Ooh, and then when we're done, oh, you want your hair. When we're done, Carly, we can make Rice Krispie treats.
This is metal.
Okay, interesting.
Maybe not. It's putty.
It's fluff slime.
Fluffers. What is this? Uh-oh.
What? My baby. The child, the second favorite child.
Okay, good.
Okay, good. Is there anything in there?
Just gonna knead it until I find something. Totally didn't find any. Huh? This is something.
It's something.
Is this Waldo?
I don't know. It's an elf on the shelf. It's an elf. Well, I don't know if it's a good elf or a bad elf. I can't see its eyes. I can see the hat and the suit.
We can.
There's definitely some more things in there.
Oh, you know what? The first thing I'm gonna grab? This old chunk of hair. I'm just kidding.
Ew. What is?
I don't know. Round and it's peach.
So there's something peachy and round.
Wonder what that.
You're not using your real hands.
Yeah.
Carly, you know what? I have a confession to make. When you were going like this, really close to your face, I almost went boop. I almost booped you. You want to be booped?
Maybe. I do need to take a shower though. It looks like
I don't know. We'll rinse it off after.
I'm not doing any good. Just rubbing more stuff.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to rinse.
Can you
this
take
off.
it off?
No, then my hands will get all sticky.
Just a little part? No, that's not.
Okay. Did you take? It's still on your hand.
I know it is. Take a closer look for me.
Just asking for it, aren't you?
Kinda.
You want to be booped?
This looks. I don't know what that is.
I'll just drop it. We'll put it all in.
It's on the counter.
We'll rinse it all off after and see.
Is there anything in here? I'm trying to sniff it.
I got her a little boop.
Oh, it's on the camera too.
Oops. Booped. Okay, I'm not.
You're not gonna do it.
It's
You won't.
Really? I'm already trying to. Nice. Okay, you did that to yourself. You look like Loki after he drank water with all that stuff hanging off from you.
Wait, I just realized there's marshmallow gut all over me.
Oh.
Wait.
All right, is there anything else in there?
You can grab it by the
Okay, let's see.
I love you.
Thank you. Ugh. Is that it? Let's reach in and see if there's anything more.
That's a great idea. Can you do something?
Like what?
Can you like... No, I need like something to... There's metal on this.
Huh?
There's metal on this.
Metal?
That metal thing?
Ooh, that's probably why it exploded in the microwave. He had metal inside of it. All right, guys, so let's get a strainer and let's rinse this out and let's see what's actually inside. Okay, Carly cleaned up.
Most of the way.
Mostly. All right, so let's get the water rolling on these and see.
Oh, no.
Melt the marshmallow off of it with hot water. Loosening. Just loosening. Wow, that's really stuck in there.
Just grab it. Drop it. It's a donut. What is that?
That's a donut. I don't know. Oh, that's an eyeball.
Oh, yeah. That's an eyeball.
Oh,
that's poor! Poor eyeball!
It's got brown eyes.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what this stuff is.
It's like blazing hot.
Ooh, it is very hot. So it has to be hot to melt the marshmallow off.
Oh, no. We'll start with one thing.
So
And another!
that was my marshmallow, or that was my Pop-It. I think it'll be okay though. Hot stuff. There's this creepy looking thing.
Oh.
It looks like a witch.
You're not concerned about this?
I'm a little concerned about it. So we have like this witch looking.
Oh,
my baby.
Yoda. It's fine.
the sweet and good thing in this world, besides you, of course, and Loki. A Heath bar.
Yeah. This is a donut.
And Warhead.
No, donut.
Warhead. And yes, as we knew, hopefully no one out there is missing their elf on the shelf. We'll get its magic back and send it back to you. If yours is missing. Aww.
Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye.